Hey, lovely. I want to share something personal with you. I have cut my hair and it feels like a fresh start. From now on, I'm going all in with natural DIY hair care products made by me. I'm taking a more mindful, healthy approach to my hair. No more harsh chemical, just ingredients I trust and I believe in. I will be using things like banana, egg, yogurt, and olive oil to deeply nourish and strengthen my hair. Everything I use will be 100% natural, made at home, and focused on promoting real hair healthy. I'm so excited for this journey and I will be sharing my recipe and results with you along the way. Let's grow together. So let's talk about the benefits of all the ingredients I listed in this video. Banana. Banana is rich in potassium and natural oil that soften and protect hair. Egg provides essential protein to strengthen the hair shape and reduce breakage. When it comes to yogurt, yogurt is a natural conditioner packed with probiotic that soften the scalp and promote healthy growth. Our next ingredient is olive oil. Olive oil is deeply moisturized, help shine and nourish the roots. So now we add all our ingredients into a blender and blend together. So this blend revive dry, damaged hair and promotes long-term healing from root to tip. I apply it once a week and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. It's a simple, powerful way to give your hair the love it truly deserves without any harsh chemical. Your hair is part of your heady. Treat it with care. So after blending everything together, this is what it will look. Then I will go on with my applicator bottle and put it inside. So before applying it direct to my hair. So I just started using all these ingredients and I'm loving what I'm seeing. I'm loving what I'm seeing. So now let's start with dry or sleeping down hair. Section your hair and apply the mask from the scalp to the end. Gently massage the mask into your scalp using your fingertips, your comb or brush, any one of your choice. Cover your hair with a shower cap or towel. Leave the mask sit for 30 to 45 minutes to soak all the nutrients. Rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. Follow with a gentle shampoo and condition to remove any residue. Apply once a week for best results. This mask can help reduce breakage, deeply moisturize dry hair, and encourage healthier growth over time. Would you like to try this recipe? Please comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you will never miss a new update. Your support really helped me keep me going. Thank you all for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I really do appreciate all of you. Your encouragements mean the world to me. So we have come to the end of today's video. You can see how soft Fluffy this hair is. Very soft, very, very soft. So if you are going on this journey with me, just type let's grow together on the comment section. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching and God bless you. Amen.